relation between conductivity sigma and mobility mu. Conductivity sigma and mobility mu. You know already electric current I is equal to VDE NA. That means mobility mu is equal to VD by E. So instead of VD we can write mu into E. We can write I is equal to instead of VD E into N into A into instead of VD mu into E. So this is a relation between I and mu. So now this can be written as, observe carefully, I by AE is equal to NE mu. So I by AE is nothing but, you know already, sigma is I by AE is nothing but a sigma since conductivity sigma is equal to J by conductivity sigma is equal to J by E, that is equal to I by AE. Okay, since conductivity sigma is equal to J by E, that is equal to I by AE. So instead of I by AE, can I take sigma here? Sigma is equal to NE into mu. So this is a relation between conductivity sigma and mu. This is the relation between sigma and NE mu. Sigma is equal to NE mu. So now conductivity of metallic conductor sigma is equal to NE mu E, because for conductor conductivity is due to electrons only. So conductivity of semiconductor sigma is equal to formula. Conductivity of semiconductor formula sigma is equal to NE into mu E plus NE into mu H. NE into mu E into NE into mu H. So conductivity of metallic conductor NE into mu E, conductivity of semiconductor is NE into mu E plus NE into mu H. So here since for conductor conductivity due to electrons, conductivity is due to electrons. For semiconductor conductivity due to holes and electrons. So here mu E means mobility of electron, mu H means mobility of holes. For semiconductor, conductivity is due to electrons and holes. That's why Ne into mu E plus Ne into mu H. Mu h means mobility of, I will write here, so that is very very important. So here mu h means mobility of holes. Mu e means mobility of electrons. This is very very important formulas. So please note down these formulas and revise these formulas. So these formulas are very helpful to solve the numericals. What is the conductivity of metallic conductor formula? Ne into mu e. N means free electron density, E means charge of electron, mu e means mobility of electron. And conductivity of semiconductor. Conductivity of semiconductor sigma is equal to Ne into mu e plus Ne into mu h. Mu e means mobility of electron, mu h means mobility of holes, because for semiconductor conductivity is due to both electrons and holes. Dear student, so we are going to discuss two more important concepts. After completion of these concepts, we are going to discuss resistors connected in series, resistors connected in parallel. So those concepts we are going to discuss. So before going to that, two important concepts are there. I will discuss now. So those concepts are, we will discuss. Right. Observe here. Generally, in solids, charge carriers are electrons. Free electrons. In liquids, charge carriers are cations and anions. Cation is nothing but positive ion. Anion is nothing but negative ion. For example, in solids, charge carries by free electrons. In solids, current formula. Current I is equal to Q by T. That is nothing but N into E by T. Because here in solids, charge carriers are electrons. That's why we consider charge of electron. Next, in liquids, current is due to positive ions and negative ions. That's why current is due to positive ions and negative ions. So that is nothing but Q into, so Q is equal to N into number of electrons plus P into number of electrons, number of N into number of electrons into charge of electron, P into number of protons. Okay. So here N means number of by time. Time also important. This is a net charge by time. N means number of electrons. P means number of protons. Number of protons are positive charges. Number of electrons plus N is nothing but number of electrons, P is nothing but number of protons. So that is nothing but charge carriers are in liquids, cations and anions. Cations and anions. So this is in gases. In gases, charge carriers are positive ions. So in positive ions, negative ions, and electrons. So this is very important. In solids, electric current is due to free electrons. In liquids, electric current is due to cations and anions. Here N means number of positive ions, electrons. Electrons is nothing but here negative ions, number of negative ions. P means number of protons or positive ions. Number of positive ions. So E minus means charge of electron. E plus means charge of proton. So these are the different formulas. So this is about this concept. Next we are going to discuss application 1. This is very, very important application. Let us consider a charge. Let us consider a charge which is revolving in circular path of radius r. Revolving in circular path of radius r, velocity v, in time t seconds. I'll consider as well as some t and t seconds. So find electric current. Very, very important. Let us consider a charge which is revolving in a circular path. So here it is a charge that is revolving in a circular path. Okay, having some radius. That radius I consider as some r. Radius of the circle is r. Let us consider a charge that is revolving in a circular path. The charge is moving with the velocity v. It is moving in a circular path. It having radius is r. Find electric current I. Electric current I formula is nothing but Q by T. Charge by time. Time is nothing but here time period T. So how to find time? Time t is equal to, you know already, velocity is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by velocity. Time is nothing but distance by velocity. So distance is nothing but here. Distance is, if the charge is moves in a circular path, then the total distance covered by the charge is nothing but 2 pi r. 2 pi r by distance is 2 pi r by velocity is nothing but v. Velocity is nothing but v. Time t is equal to 2 pi r by v. Substitute here. Charge is q here, q, and here time is nothing but 2 pi r by v. Then finally we got here qv by 2 pi r. Qv by 2 pi r. This is very important formula. Qv by 2 pi r. Qv by 2 pi r. If any charge moves in a circular path with the velocity v, having a radius is r, having a radius is capital R, we consider capital R here also. Having a radius is capital R, then that time electric current formula qv by 2 pi r. If any charge is moves in a circular path, it having velocity v, that circle having radius is r, that charge is q, then what is electric current formula? qv by 2 pi r. This is one formula, and one more formula we can write. So observe this formula here. I is equal to q by t. We can write this formula as I is equal to q by t is one formula, time period. And third formula, how can we write? I is equal to 1 by time period is nothing but frequency. We can write like this also, q into f. I is equal to q into f, because q is nothing but charge, 1 by time period is nothing but here frequency. So we can write like this also. I is equal to q into f. I is equal to q into f. We can write like this also. And fourth formula, we can write fourth formula as this is a third formula, q into f. And fourth formula is I is equal to q into, you know that omega is equal to 2 pi f. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. That means f is nothing but omega by 2 pi. Omega by 2 pi. Because since omega is nothing but 2 pi f. Omega is nothing but 2 pi f. So instead of f we can write omega by 2 pi. So these are the different formulas. If any charge is moves in a circular path, that circle having radius is capital R, velocity is v, then electric current formula qv by 2 pi r. Otherwise I is equal to q by t, I is equal to qf, I is equal to q into omega by 2 pi. So these are the different formulas. This application is very important. So this is very useful to solve numericals.